When it comes to relationships, it's really funny. People understand relationships in business. Business relationships, partnerships, agreements only come together when they're mutually beneficial. Both parties are doing what they do, what they're so good at, and doing it together increases business for both. Now, why aren't romantic relationships the same? When it comes to romantic relationships, it becomes a you scratch my back here and I'll scratch your back there. And one of the problems with that is there isn't necessarily a shared dream. It isn't necessarily based on what I'm good at and what you're good at. It's more so based on you make me feel good, I'll make you feel good. But what happens when the other person doesn't scratch the right way? They're not making you feel good. What happens when you do want to bloom and do what you're good at? Love your life and grow bigger. That's not always in the back scratching agreement or contract. And then it causes problems. For example, it happens quite a bit with money. People fight over money. That's the number one problem relationships have. Why? Because the agreement and the contract, what the relationship came together as, was mutual back scratching, not sharing our lives, having a common dream, and creating something together that helps us enjoy our money together. Make sure that your relationships are based on a fundamental agreement that is similar to a business agreement, based on both of you doing what you do, being so good at it, sharing a dream, and sharing wonderful things, not you scratch my back, I'll scratch yours, because then when something else itches, it becomes a problem.